What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota Mirai remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the 2016 to 2020 Toyota Mirai, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now, if we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, kind of in the area where this key just slid out of, we can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, the end of this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that notch, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. And you can see it splits the case apart. Now I'm going to flip it over so the buttons are facing down and pull the back cover off. And sometimes the circuit board will stick in the back cover like it did here. If it does, just use your key to carefully get under the edge of it and get it out of the back of the case. Then I'll set it down in the front in this clear rubber piece. We see our battery right here. I'm going to use my key again, the end of the key, to get under the edge of the battery right here and pop it out of the holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'll tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then make sure your circuit board is sitting down in that clear rubber piece like it needs to be. And we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.